Okay guys, we've got a ton of really exciting updates for you today, but first let's splash into our new splash pad. A ton of questions have been asked about this splash pad, which will be opening soon. There are over 30 interactive features on this that you can play with. As you know, FunSpot takes safe, clean fun to heart, which they have implemented into this splash pad. Therefore, of course it's going to be fun, but safety, the actual foam they're putting down is super soft. Cool part is to clean this, there will not be any harsh chemicals. We actually use a UV ray process to clean this water instead of the harsh chemicals. Another thing to consider, kids, when you're trying to talk mom and dad into bringing you to this is all these features are all interactive, so they've actually been proven to stimulate your brain and make you smarter. Of course, this is huge. It's over 4,000 square feet. And another way that FunSpot is conserving is this is not automatic. The only way that this turns on is if guests hit this special button right here. You hit this and then the water turns on, so we're not wasting water. If you've been to the Orlando Park lately, you may have noticed all these beautiful Ferris wheel parts in the parking lot. Don't worry, they are getting ready to finish up construction real soon so you can get back to enjoying the beautiful views from on top of our brand new gorgeous Ferris wheel. That's it for today. We'll see you next time. Bye.